Good evening once again. Tonight, there are renewed calls for New York's health commissioner to resign after Governor Kathy Hochul acknowledged the state has had nearly 12,000 more COVID-19 deaths than what were previously reported. Hochul's office now reporting more than 55,000 COVID-19 deaths in New York, which now aligns with the count from the CDC. That is up from the 43,000 from what the Cuomo administration had reported to the public on his last day of office. Reporter Ali Tui tonight on this new tally and the new tone Governor Hochul says she's trying to set in state government.
We're now releasing more data than had been released before.
A tone of transparency from new Governor Kathy Hochul, one day after being sworn into office.
There's just a lot of things that weren't happening, and I'm going to make them happen.
That includes updated COVID-19 death state data. Hochul's administration now reports 55,000 people have died of COVID-19 in New York, based on death certificate data submitted to the CDC, up from the roughly 43,000 from former Governor Andrew Cuomo, reported to the public as of Monday, his last day in office. Cuomo has been criticized for two missteps in handling COVID-19 in nursing homes. First, his March of 2020 directive that told nursing homes they couldn't deny COVID-19 patients coming from hospitals, despite knowing how susceptible other nursing home residents would be to the potentially deadly virus. And second, his decision to not include nursing home deaths among the COVID-19 death toll statewide. Last month, the Department of Justice announced it would not investigate Cuomo's handling of COVID-19 in nursing homes. However, it does remain under investigation by the U.S. Attorney's Office in Brooklyn. Cuomo has always maintained his directives are appropriate and his data is accurate.
People in nursing homes have underlying conditions. And that's why people died. Not because anyone did anything wrong or because there was a conspiracy.
Hochul's decision Wednesday acknowledges the nearly 12,000 deaths that occurred in nursing homes. Senate Minority Leader Robert Ortt is reacting to Hochul's data update. He released this statement, which reads in part, "I first called on Howard Zucker to resign in January. The Department of Health under his leadership has lost all credibility as we continue our efforts to fight the resurgence in COVID and the Delta variant. He needs to resign, and if he does not, Governor Hochul must terminate him immediately." During an appearance on MSNBC Wednesday morning, Hochul said she was taking 45 days to assemble her team, but added she won't be replacing people in the middle of a pandemic.
Because I have so much to do to protect New Yorkers, and we're not anywhere near where we need to be.
Ali Tui, 7 Eyewitness News.